fattiest, meatiest, and silliest sausage. Everything that a British person thinks a Spanish woman acts and looks and talks like, that's Theresa May. I'm a walking stereotype. My name comes from chorizo, which is a Spanish sausage. I am Spanish. I have a sausage. I'm fat. Let me give you a lesson in Geordie. A read? Why I pet? If you say you want to go to the town, you don't go to the town, baby. You go to the tune. If someone is giving me chat, I'll shout at them in Spanish and show them these claws. You don't mess with Teresa. I'm a sexy mama, queen of drama. 1 minute I'm laughing. Second word I'm crying. My motto in drag is antes muerta que sencilla. I'd rather be dead than basic. What's my story, you may ask?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm Jesus.
Oh, Jesus! I need a towel!
Well, you get an owl, but I will guide you through the darkness.
Thank you, Jesus the owl!
It's hard to believe that I couldn't see. You were always there beside me. Thought I was alone with going alone, but you were always right beside me.
And this feeling's like no other.
I want you to know I've never had someone that knows me like you do, the way you do.
my first love, and he invited me to his tent. He jizzed in my eyes in the middle of the night. He left running, and I went to find him, but obviously I was blind. Then I found this owl and we became friends, and since then he's been guiding me through the night. One day we found the bastard at the top of a mountain, so we bopped to the top. Then I took a shotgun off my pus and I fired one deadly shot into his head.